Well, moisture would help all this.
And you got
No.
nothing.
All right, let's show you what's going on. How about the extreme heat, though, Jess?
Oh, yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Everyone loves that.
All right,
Thanks.
let's take a look at the maps here. Yeah, well, here's the thing. If we're going to have heat, we might as well win, right?
True.
I mean, yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
It's all the way. What do we got?
Yeah, we're in a drought, so we might as well just win the drought. And boy, we're doing that, unfortunately. Here's a look at what's going on from Cloudcroft, where we actually had some decent-looking fair weather cumulus clouds that didn't amount to anything, obviously, but still a nice-looking shot there. And as far as your satellite and radar goes, we're not picking up much, other than a few clouds over the Sacramentos at this point. Otherwise, things are relatively quiet. 98 degrees in the metro area, close to 100, but we're not there yet. Northwest winds at 7, gusting to 17 miles an hour out there. Temperatures anywhere from 100 in Clayton all the way up to 105 in Tucumcari, 101 Roswell, 101 in Carlsbad, 102 Alamogordo. You guys in Alamogordo, you think it's hot today? You're going to crank that temperature up by 3 or 4 more degrees for tomorrow. Thanks to high pressure overhead, that is pushing that air down in the atmosphere. It is heating it. It is squeezing out any moisture and drying it out. And we're going to end up tomorrow with another day in the 90s or triple-digit heat for most areas on Wednesday. Looking at the winds, they're a factor today, no doubt. 20 to 30 miles an hour at a gust across the north, down to the south. Temperatures in the low 20s around Silver City or TRC, mid 20s around the Carlsbad area for a gust. Cloud cover not a huge factor at this point. We're seeing a little bit in portions of central California. That's not likely to be a huge issue for us. If we're going to have some relief, it's going to come from the Gulf here and tapping into a little bit of moisture over the next couple of days. So look for a clear and mild night tonight, not nearly as hot as last night when we were at 90 degrees at midnight. Tomorrow, record highs will be possible. Hot temperatures out there under the high. But by Thursday, we start to draw in a little bit of moisture so that once we add the heat of the day, we could grab a few showers there. And for Friday into the weekend, a weak weather disturbance comes through. That too could convert some moisture into some thunderstorms. So there does look like there's going to be some relief on the way. But as you can tell from Superstorm Track, it doesn't happen throughout most areas for tomorrow. But watch the difference on Thursday. You'll start seeing some pop-up thunderstorms. Northern mountains, west central mountains, and the southwestern mountains, even across southeastern New Mexico. A spot shower possible. It's improvement. It will help us cool down a bit as well. 80s and 90s across southern Colorado, sunny and warm. And those temperatures going to be in the mid 80s by Friday and Saturday, so some improvement there as well. Northwest temperatures for the most part in the 90s, mostly sunny skies, west winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, and temperatures remaining in the low 90s by Friday. Southwest mostly sunny and hot, temperatures in the high 90s around Silver City, and brutally hot. Alamogordo, Socorro, Deming, and Lordsburg, all well over 100 degrees. Over to the southeast, sunny with extreme heat back once again for tomorrow. And by the way, we may get a little relief from the heat Friday and Saturday in Roswell. It comes right back Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Northeast, mostly sunny skies, warm conditions, 80s and 90s. Northern mountains, temperatures going to be anywhere from the 70s in Red River all the way up to the 90s in Santa Fe and Espanola. East Mountains, low 90s, Sandia Park and Cedar Crest, out to Edgewood and Estancia, well into the 90s. Downtown, right on the nose at 100 tomorrow, 99 in the Heights and 100 out in Rio Rancho. Extended forecast, a little bit of heat relief by Friday and Saturday with a slight chance at a shower.
All right, thank you, Mark. Sports is next.